Hello, and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to do front post and back post half double crochet. In this case I am making a fingerless glove and I'm making the wrist part of it. So, sorry about that. This I started with a double crochet foundation chain and connected it, chained one, and now my first stitch is going to be a front post half double crochet. So to do that, I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to go, we have the chain here. Let's see if there's lighting there, and I'm not going to include that. I'm going to go behind this double crochet, and that's the post right there. So I'm going to create a front post half double crochet. Your hook, or your post, is in front of your hook, and then I yarn over, pull up a loop, and you have 3 loops on your hook, and then you yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and that's your half double crochet. So I've just done one. Now I'm going to mark my first stitch of that round at the top, that half double crochet, not the chain, but the top of that half double crochet, which is just to the right. And now we're going to do a back post half double crochet. So now yarn over, going behind and through. You can see, if the lighting's right, a loop up there, and then you're above those chains right there. You're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that is your first back post. I believe I did that right. Something doesn't seem right about that. Let's do that one again. I'm not sure I went all the way behind the post. I'm slowing it down too much. Okay. So now we're going to do that again. Going behind, I forgot to go in front of. Okay. Behind to the front, and you're just kind of wrapping that post. And finishing your half double crochet. And that's your back post, and we'll do more of that. So back to the front post, yarn over, you're going behind the post to create the front post. Your post is in front of the crochet hook, grabbing that, pulling up a loop, yarning over, and doing your half double crochet. So now we have a front post, back post, front post. I'm going to do another back post. Excuse me. Yarn over, go behind. This is the stitch you're working behind. You're going to go behind, in front of that, what we call the post or double crochet. So then your hook is in front of the post. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and you got your 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Okay. Oh, I think I'm slowing down so much that okay, no, that's correct. It didn't look right for a second. Okay, now we're doing back to front post. Yarn over, and I'll just be quiet now. And behind. We're just switching back and forth between front and back post. You can see if it's stretched out, going in between those 2. This one down here and this one up here. And then in front of. That yellow yarn isn't blending with the table too much. Might have just done two. Yep, sorry, I did 2 in a row the same. Go back to the front. Oops. Let's see. Sometimes it's hard to tell when you finish, so I just need to make sure. I think that's the last one. I'm going to go ahead and count them, make sure I have 24. And I do that by counting the top loops up here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So yes, I've done all the ones I need to do. I don't do anything with that first chain thing there. So at this point I'm going to connect with a slip stitch, and this is part of your original chain, so you don't go into that, you go into your marked stitch, and that's why you mark it, so you know exactly where to go. You do your slip stitch, draw up a loop, and pull it through that other working loop. And now chain 1, and I'm ready for the next round. And you should have a nice little stretchy wristband there that you can start making your first round of your glove on. I hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.